In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off the ruler in Microsoft Word. The ruler in Microsoft Word is a helpful tool that allows you to align text, tables, images, and other elements precisely within your document. It provides visual guidance for margins, indents, and tab stops, making your layout more professional and easier to manage. Knowing how to turn the ruler on or off gives you better control over your workspace, depending on your needs. To begin, open your Word document. The ruler is located at the top of the document window for horizontal alignment and along the left side for vertical alignment. By default, the horizontal ruler may be visible, but the vertical ruler is only shown in certain views. To toggle the ruler on or off, go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Show group, you'll see a checkbox labeled Ruler. Click the box to turn the ruler on. You'll immediately see the horizontal ruler appear above your document, and if you're in Print Layout view, the vertical ruler will also be displayed along the left side. To turn the ruler off, simply uncheck the ruler box, and both rulers will disappear, giving you a cleaner workspace. Using the ruler is especially useful for adjusting margins, setting tab stops, aligning images, or formatting tables. Turning it off can provide a distraction-free workspace when precise alignment is not necessary. By learning how to toggle the ruler on and off in Microsoft Word, you can customize your editing environment to suit your workflow, making document formatting faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.